there!
If you're looking for an eggless brownie recipe that's rich, fudgy in the middle, crispy on top, then this is the perfect recipe for you.
One of my boys has got an egg allergy, and at the end of this video, he'll tell you what he really thinks of these eggless brownies.
They taste absolutely cracking.
To make them, start by preheating a fan oven to 175 degrees and line an 8-inch square baking tin with grease-proof or non-stick paper. You can find all the ingredients and measurements for this recipe in the details down below. You'll need a saucepan with a large glass bowl that safely fits in the top of the pan. Now you'll need some boiling water. Carefully pour your boiling water about 3/4 of the way up into your pan so that it doesn't touch the glass bowl. Turn on the heat, and now we're going to start melting. First the pieces of chocolate and then the cubed chunks of butter. Add in the cocoa powder and let's get this melted. It's going to take a few minutes to completely melt, so keep giving it a stir, or alternatively you could just do it in the microwave. Oh, look at that. I could just eat that. Ooh. In a separate bowl, get your boiling water, and also to this you need to add the sugar. Now the sugar needs to dissolve in the water, so give it a good whisk and keep whisking until you stop feeling all that gritty, grainy bits. Once your sugar is completely dissolved, add in your vanilla extract. You can use vanilla essence, but the extract's much purer and much better. Whisk that all together and then add it to your chocolate mix. Make sure you scrape it all in, don't leave any left. And then stir this all together. Now add your full-fat plain yoghurt and then stir again. Make sure all the yoghurt is stirred in really well before sifting in your plain flour. Plain flour is also known in some countries as all-purpose flour, and I believe Maida. Let me know in the comments down below if this is right. And then add your cornflour or your cornstarch and sift that into the mixture before giving it a good whisk. Fold it all in until you get rid of all of those lumpy bits. Oh, look at that. Oh my word. Once your mixture is smooth and shiny like this, pour it into the lined baking tin. Try to ignore the temptation to lick the spoon at this point and instead spread the mixture out as evenly as you possibly can throughout the tin. Pop the tin into the preheated oven and you're going to bake this now for 20 minutes. I'm going to set a timer so I don't forget. After 20 minutes, use a toothpick or a knife and pop it in the centre of the mixture. If it comes out too wet, you need to put it back in for another 5 or 10 minutes. You're looking for moist crumbs. But you don't want the toothpick or knife to be completely dry, otherwise the brownies will be dry inside. Now let's chop it into 9 pieces and check for the fudginess. Ooh, look at that. I'm serving my brownie warm with cold vanilla ice cream. Absolutely delicious. What do you think, Josh?
You've got to get this. This tastes cracking.
If you've enjoyed this video, please support me by subscribing to my channel, and then I can make lots more videos like these.